Why is research crucial for investors in India's dynamic markets? Let's explore. Research empowers you with insights into market trends and company performance, enabling smarter investment decisions. Identify potential risks in advance and protect your investments from market uncertainties. Discover hidden gems and growth opportunities through in-depth research. Strong research builds confidence, helping you achieve consistent long-term wealth creation. Save time, enhance efficiency, and stay ahead in fast-evolving markets with well-structured research. At GEPL Capital, our expert research team provides actionable insights tailored for Indian investors. Whether you're a seasoned trader or a beginner, we're here to guide you. Call us today at 8035214439 or email support@geplcapital.com to start your investment journey. Investments in the securities market are subject to market risks. Read all documents carefully before investing.